Plants, animals, and fungi working in a symbiotic relationship to meet the needs of the whole. I, as a human, am just a small part of that, a piece of that. And this is planted and designed to go on without me. If I was to walk away, this would keep doing its thing. It'd become a junglish. Some people say it is already. Kind of wild. Not your average backyard. But it's planted in guilds, matching the 7 layers that we see in any forest around the world. Having those connections. Just made a longer video, I don't know if I'll share it, but talking about we need to stop talking about how we need so many fertilizers and pesticides and insecticides and try to make each plant survive. And I believe I built my platform to have my place in this conversation. It's not bragging, it's just fact that I'm owning it. I live in it every day, I work through it every day. I learned from those before me. Yes, Bill Mollison, but these are lost native ways. Managing a food system, managing forestscapes, working with nature. Alright, I'm preaching. Change is long overdue and better than a holiday. Peace.